Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are on lesson 3, problem set. And our I can for today is I can demonstrate understanding of area and perimeter formula by solving multi-step real-world problems. So these are word problems and something that I really enjoy. So remember, we're going to do the read, draw, write. Read, draw, write. So I'm going to read through first. The rectangular projection screen in the school auditorium is 5 times as long and 5 times as wide as the rectangular screen in the library. The screen in the library is 4 feet long with a perimeter of 14 feet. What is the perimeter of the screen in the auditorium? So after I've read this, I'm going to go back and I'm going to draw and make sense of this. So, the rectangular projection screen in the school auditorium is 5 times as long and 5 times as wide as the rectangular screen in the library. The screen in the library is 4 feet long with a perimeter of 14 feet. So I'm going to go ahead and put library screen. And remember, I'm making sense of this. So if it is 4 foot long, so this is 4 foot, or 4 feet long. And I know that this is the perimeter. So perimeter means my formula is P equals length plus width plus width. So I know that this side is 4 feet and this side is 4 feet. So I can say P equals 4 plus W plus W. Well, that means P equals 8 plus W plus W. And I know that my P, which is perimeter, is 14 foot. So I'm going to put 14 equals 8 plus W plus W. Now, if I've already used 8, because if we go back to our tape diagram, and we have, this is our total that's possible, which is 14 from this point to this point is 14. And I've used 8 of that, then I need to know what's there. So if I take 8 away from my 14, I know that I'm going to have 6. 6 is my question mark, but I'm not done because I have 2 W's. So I have to divide that 6 by 2. So that means 3 and 3. So if this is correct, then I should be able to say 14 equals 8 plus 3 plus 3. And so I should be able to put 3 here and 3 there. Now let's see if it adds up correctly. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 3 more is 11, plus 3 more is 14 feet. So therefore, I know that the library screen is 4 feet long and 3 feet wide. All right, I'm going to change colors because I love my colors. And now I need to go back because that's not my question. It wants me to tell the perimeter of the screen of the auditorium. So even though I solved for what my width would be, I'm not done. I'm going to have to use that to be able to figure out my screen in the auditorium. So I'm going to go ahead and label auditorium. Not my favorite pen, I'll just tell you now, because it doesn't write as clear as the other one. It is 5 times as long, so if this is going to be 5 times, then I know it's going to be 4 times 5, because 4 feet is how long this one is, and it's 5 times. So that's making sense of it. And 5 times is wide too. So if I come down through here, I'm going to have to go 3 times 5 as well. And that's going to let me be a total of 15. And this is going to let me have a total of 20. So therefore, that means that if this side is 20 and it's a rectangle, then this side is going to be 20. And this side is going to be 15. And remember, going back to our perimeter equals length plus width. So my perimeter equals, my length is 20 plus 20 plus 15 plus 15. Well, I know that 20 plus 20 is 40. And I know 15 plus 15 is 30. So I know my perimeter is going to be 70 feet long. 70 feet. And that's how I would answer question 1 on objective. I can demonstrate understanding of area and perimeter formula by solving multi-step real-world problems.